Hello once again, this is Morning Sun Ventures. We are found in Kenya. We are located in Vihiga County, and today I'd like to show you new varieties we have introduced in our farm, including Duranta plants, which we have used to decorate the border of our farm. And this plant is very flexible. It's very flexible. When you trim, when you shape them, you can obtain the shape you need. This is Thuja. It's a shrub that looks like cypress, but it's not a cypress. We also have waxy Begonia. This is a flower that you can use to decorate inside your house also. Waxy Begonia, we have a number of them, and we also have another variety. This is a hydrangea. This hydrangea, it has a very beautiful blossom. You can see it has got a beautiful blossom, and it's good when you have a shrub or a tree, any plant at your home, to know its name. Knowing the name of a plant, it helps to know how to handle it and where to allocate it when you are doing landscaping. Like for example, this is rose flower, which has a character of climbing. So this is the allocation we have given it on our landscaping to complete the design we need on the border of our farm, including bougainvillea. We have also allocated bougainvillea in this manner, like rose flower, bougainvillea, it is here. This is bougainvillea. It also has a character of climbing. So this is how we have allocated them on our landscaping to give us this design. So remember to subscribe to this channel for more information, because we are doing research on different varieties of plants, flowers and shrubs. As we are doing research of their names, so here we shall be learning the different names of different varieties of plants, and this will be helpful to our society. Naming of plants, it will help us to know how to take care of our environment in an appropriate way. This is Gravelia and Pinus betula. Though they are still very young and we are taking care of them to mature. So remember to subscribe and to like our video for more information. This is Washingtonia robusta. This is a variety of palm tree, and many others. So thank you for watching.